Now we are going to derive energy equation for adiabatic process. Adiabatic process that we have to derive here. As I told you, energy equation will be different for different thermodynamic process because dP by rho integration is not constant. If density changes, then definitely that will. So let us write down the Euler equation. dP by rho plus V square by 2 plus G Z is equal to constant. This is the Euler equation. Okay. Now what we have to do, as we have already done in the case of isothermal process, now we are going to change this dP by rho for the adiabatic. So adiabatic means adiabatic process is PV to the power gamma is equal to C, or it is also called P by rho to the power gamma is equal to C. That I have already proved in that case also. Okay. Or because we have to put the rho, so rho to the power gamma will be equal to P by C, and rho will be equal to P by C to the power 1 by gamma. Okay. Now what we have to do in this equation, Euler equation, substitute the value of rho, then we have to integrate. Okay. So let us substitute the value in Euler equation. So that is dP by rho. Okay. So dP by rho integration, dP by rho is nothing but P by C to the power 1 by gamma. So see here, C is in denominator here, it will go here C to the power 1 by gamma, and that we can take outside. So dP by P to the power 1 by gamma. Okay. So integration this C to the power 1 by gamma, this will be P to the power minus 1 by gamma into dP. That is integration. Okay. So now this is x to the power n. So it will have the value C by 1 by gamma. This will have value P minus 1 by gamma. X to the power n is equal to, that is x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So 1 by gamma plus 1. Now this C will be, let us write C is equal to C 1 by gamma into, this will be P, this will be gamma minus 1 by gamma. Okay. By this one will also have minus 1 by gamma plus 1. So this will be have gamma minus 1 by gamma. So this will be gamma by gamma minus 1. It will go in numerator, this term, and C here, C is nothing but P by rho to the power gamma. So here we have to put 1 by gamma. P is equal to 1 by gamma, and this is also having 1 by gamma. Okay. Because P by rho to the power gamma is equal to C. So what we have to do? This way I have taken in numerator, and this numerator and into C to the power 1 by gamma. So C is nothing but P by rho to the power gamma. So this is P is 1 by gamma and divided by rho to the power gamma by gamma into gamma. Okay. So this will be like this. Now what we will get here? See here. So we will get, this is C to the power gamma, that is, okay, P by rho to the power gamma, and also product of P to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma. Okay, that also we have to take. So this will be gamma by gamma minus 1, that is, see, bases are same, in multiplication power will be added. So 1 plus 1 by gamma plus gamma minus 1 by gamma. Okay, divide by, this is nothing but rho. So this will have gamma by gamma minus 1 into, see here, that will be 1 plus gamma minus 1 by gamma. So 1 will get cancelled, gamma will get cancelled. So it will be just P by rho only. Okay. So now substituting this equation from equation 1, dp by rho. So this is nothing but, remember, dp by rho only. This is integration of dp by rho. Okay. So dp by rho, put the value simply. So it is gamma by gamma minus 1 p by rho. Okay. Plus b square by 2 plus gz is equal to constant. So what we have to do now? We have to divide by g and g. So g will get cancelled, and this will for process 1 to 2, that is gamma by gamma minus 1 p1 by rho 1g, okay, into plus v1 square by 2g plus z1 will be equal to gamma by gamma minus 1 into p2 by rho 2g, okay, plus v2 square by 2g plus z2. Okay. So this is the required equation. This is the required equation of energy equation or Bernoulli equation for adiabatic process. Okay. So as I told you, this energy equation will be different for different process. In the last class, we derived energy equation for the isothermal, that is PV to the power 1, PV is equal to C. In this class, we have derived the relation energy equation for adiabatic process. Okay. So let us write Euler equation. Same Euler equation will be there, that is integration of dp by rho plus v square by 2 plus g z is equal to constant. Okay. So adiabatic process takes the form PV to the power gamma is equal to C, and as I told you, rho and 1 by v. Okay. So if you take this one, so it will be take the form p by rho to the power gamma is equal to C, and rho to the power gamma is p by C, and rho will be equal to p by C to the power 1 by gamma. Now our form is integration of dp by rho. So dp by rho is nothing but dp by rho. Rho is p by C to the power 1 by gamma. So dp by p to the power 1 by gamma, and C will go in numerator. It is constant, so it cannot be integrated. So we have to take it outside. So C to the power 1 by gamma. So taking outside, then this will have dp into p to the power minus 1 by gamma. So x to the power n is nothing but integration x to the power minus n plus 1. So n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Okay. So this C to the power 1 by gamma will be equal to p is, see here, gamma minus 1 by gamma by gamma minus 1 by gamma. So this will go in numerator that I have taken here, and C is nothing but, see here, p by rho to the power gamma. So p by rho, that is p by rho to the power gamma, and all this power gamma is nothing but 1 by gamma. So this will 1 by gamma, and this 1 by gamma will get cancelled. But remember, in numerator we are having p to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma also. So this having the base same 1 by gamma into p to the power gamma minus 1 by gamma, bases are same, in multiplication power will be added. So we have added this value. Okay. So this will be just p by rho. So that is 1 plus gamma minus 1. So 1 will plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, plus gamma by gamma also will get cancelled. So p by rho only. So final equation will be gamma by gamma minus 1 into p by rho plus v square by 2 plus g z constant. So dividing by g throughout the equation, it will be gamma by gamma minus 1 p by rho g plus v square by 2g. This is pressure energy, this is kinetic energy, this is daytime energy, but it is in separate form for the compressible flow. Since we are talking about process, adiabatic process, so we have to take gamma by gamma minus 1 into p1 by rho g plus v1 square by 2g plus z is equal to gamma by gamma minus 1 into p2 by rho 2g, okay, rho 2g into v square by 2g plus z2. So this is energy equation, or we can call it as Bernoulli equation for compressible flow. Momentum equation I will discuss in next class. Thank you.